Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the pledge video for your broadcast. So you'll need to have Canvas open, the pledge assignment, and you'll also need to have WeVideo open. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the pledge assignment and I'm going to read the instructions. So make sure you read through all of your instructions, and then I'm going to get the pledge words. So I'm going to click on the link, I'm going to make a copy. And then these are the exact words for the pledge that we need to have in our video. So I'm going to select all of these words by doing Control and clicking the A key. And that selected everything. And then I'm going to do Control C to copy. And then I can go ahead and close this because I'm done with it. And so now I'm back in WeVideo and I'm going to create a new video. And you need to make sure that this is going to be created in My Project. So make sure you select My Project. If it's created somewhere else, it could get deleted. So I'm going to start editing. And so the pledge has to have Please Rise for the Pledge. And then it needs to have 5 seconds of silence to give everyone in the building time to stand up because all of our classrooms are different. And then it needs to have the words to the pledge with an American flag in the background. And so the only thing that we will hear in the pledge is your voice. So I'm going to go ahead and get some text. And I'm going to use the simple text because I can change the background of the simple text. And so I'm going to grab that and I'm going to just bring it down to my video timeline. Actually, I'm going to bring it to my text timeline because this is going to be the text in front of the pledge. So I just dropped it down at like 15. And so I can change that here in just a minute. So I'm deleting the word simple text. I double clicked on it so that I could edit it. And I'm going to Control V to paste the pledge words. And right now they're not all on the screen. So I'm going to make the size smaller so that I can see all the words. I can also bring the box up and make it wider so I can fit all the words. And I can also change the font. I want it to be something that's easy to read. And so that's almost all the words. And so I'm going to go ahead and keep reducing the font so that I can see everything. So there's all of the words for the pledge. And then I'm going to go ahead and click Save Changes. So I have my words. I'm going to go ahead to Videos, and I'm going to search for the American flag. And I need something that is like 20, at least 20 seconds long. And so if you do something that is shorter, you're going to run out of time. You'd have to say your pledge really, really fast, and we don't want to do that. This would not really work because it's not the actual American flag. So because we're saying the pledge, I need to have something that looks exactly like the American flag. So I'm going to drag this down to my video timeline. And now I'm going to go back to text, and I'm going to grab a title, and I'm going to put that back or down at the text timeline, and it's going to start at the beginning. And I'm going to double click to change it to say, Please rise. Rise does not need to be capitalized. For the pledge. And make sure you have all your words spelled correctly. And then I'm going to save my changes. So far, I'm just going to kind of practice. Please rise for the pledge. So I only needed like 2 or 3 seconds. I see right here that I was done in 3 seconds to say that. So I'm going to shorten it to about 3.5. And then if I'm here at 3.5, I need to make sure that I have exactly 5 seconds in between. So 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, 6.5, 7.5, 8.5. Okay, so then I'm going to grab all of my text. I drew a box around everything by holding down my mouse, and I was able to move it. So I have exactly 5 seconds in between. And so this is how it plays so far. And then we've got 5 seconds, and I can see my timer here and I can count it. And then now that I see my words on top of my background, I'm going to come in here and I'm going to change my words. So I'm going to click on the A, and I can either highlight all of my words or I can highlight the entire box. And I think I'm going to highlight all the words. So I'm going to highlight them. That's really dark, so I'm going to make it kind of see-through. And so definitely make sure that your words are easy to read. If they're not, you'll have to redo your video. So we just changed the opacity for the words behind it. And so when I gave it a highlight, I could still see my flag behind my words. So now that I'm done, I'm going to click Save the Changes. And now I'm ready to narrate my video. So I'm going to take my playhead and go all the way to the beginning of my video. And now I'm going to come to My Media, and I'm going to click Narrate. When you are doing this, you should have plugged in your blue snowball. It should be back in one of the studios for you to record, and you need to make sure that you select the blue snowball because we want to have a really clear sound. So we're going to go ahead and start recording. Please rise for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. When you're done, you can listen to it. You can redo it if you felt like you messed up. You can also just click save, and so you can look at it there. So when I move my timeline so that I can see, this is not completely loaded. You need to wait for it to show up like this. You can see that I was nice and loud here, but I was pretty quiet right here. So we need to listen to it. You can also cut out this silence by clicking on your timeline and hitting split. We don't need this empty space to be there because it could be my breathing that we can hear. So we're going to listen to the beginning of it. Please rise for the pledge. And so I didn't start right away, but that's perfect because we want to give time for a transition to come in. And then when it plays here, it's okay that the words and the background come in first. To the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, and so I stopped speaking right here at about 19 seconds. We're going to call that 20, round up. And so I'm going to go to 22. I'm going to make sure I haven't clicked anywhere else. And I'm going to split because we're going to go ahead and get rid of this extra. And we're going to add a transition so that this fades out. So this will allow our video to end. It will leave nicely, and then when we put it into our actual broadcast, we can have a transition on either side. If you feel like you were really quiet, you can come down here to your voiceover and you can turn the whole thing up, and so that allows you to have some control over that. If you go to your levels and go to audio, you could see if this was all the way up to the top, it's at 100%. So we cannot change the audio here, but we can change it over here on the entire timeline. So you just want to listen to it. When you're done, you will click finish. Make sure that it is named last name and pledge. You click your Google Drive and then you will click export. Once it shows up in your WeVideo folder in your Google Drive, you will click on the video, click share, and then get the shareable link. The shareable link is what needs to be turned in to Canvas. And then you will also use this video in your broadcast. If you have any questions, please let your teachers know.